The one technique that can save you in any situation when used correctly in the beautiful yet brutal sport of boxing. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Runner from the Bronx here. When you get into that stance, be nice and comfortable, nice and light on those toes, upper body's relaxed, chin tucked, crunch your torso, posture is straight. Now, once you have your hands up, just like you see where I'm bouncing, but you could do it from a cold position as well. You're going to explode off that back foot. Use it to propel you forward. So I'm here, I'm forward. You see how much distance I gain? All right, they're coming in, trying to be aggressive. I'm moving back as quickly as possible. I'm trying to sidestep them so I can gain an opening and knock them out. Boom. I can hit them from the side, right outside of their guard. It could be to the right or to the left. Boom. Hit them right side, hit them right outside of that guard. But it's basically just a pendulum bounce, but in an explosive manner, being able to do it from a cold state or from a ready state. Obviously, the ready state is if I'm bouncing already to begin with. But if not, just try to make sure both of your feet is right outside of shoulder width and they're staying in this position. Because the moment they get too close, you're going to lose your footing and you're not going to have the power, the edge, or the defense of the distance control that you would like. So you want to keep it here, all right? So I'm exploding again off that back, exploding off the front, and then I'm exploding off the front to go to the right, exploding off the back to go to the left. So you just want to practice exploding, going to the right, going to the left, all four corners. And then practice from a cold state. Now as you get good, you can practice it with the jab. That is your key to entry into controlling pace, okay? Being able to stop an aggressive attacker very quickly, throw your opponent off guard and hit them with the punch they don't see. Now, thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. Practice, practice, practice. Always be a student to the game. And if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.